A very good morning, students. And today's topic is active and passive voice. The voice of a verb expresses whether the subject in the sentence has performed or received the action. So see the examples. The watchman opens the door. And see the difference in the second sentence. The door is opened by the watchman. So the first sentence is in active voice and the second sentence is in passive voice. So generally verbs have two voices. One is active and the second one is passive. What is an active voice? When an action performed by the subject is expressed by the verb, it is an active voice. Example, hens lay eggs, birds build nests. Now, what is passive voice? When the action expressed by the verb is received by the subject, it is passive voice. Now, see the passive voice examples. Eggs are laid by hens. Nests are built by birds. Now you could clearly understand the difference between active and passive voice. Now, for the purpose of examination, every student should understand what are the rules to convert an active voice sentence to passive voice. So see this example. The dog chased the cat. It is an active voice. See the passive voice of the same sentence. The cat was chased by the dog. So what are the four rules? The rule number one, the subject in active voice will be the object in passive voice. Number two, the object in active voice will be the subject in passive voice. And in passive voice, you have to use a helping verb. And the main verb in passive voice should always be in the past participle form, that is in the third form of verb. So let us see first the simple present tenses, how they change grammatically in passive voice. He writes a letter. Subject is here, object is here. So a letter, now you could observe here, the object has become the subject in passive voice. A letter is written by him. You could clearly observe there it is writes, and now in passive voice, write, wrote, written. It is in past participle form. As I have just explained you, in passive voice, the main verb should be always in past participle form. And the helping verb is in simple present. See another sentence. They sell books. And in passive voice, books are sold by them. You can see here, books is the object in active voice, has become the subject in passive voice. And they is the subject, and in passive voice it is the object. And the helping verb is are, because the books is in plural. And the main verb is in past participle form. For sell, the past participle form of verb is sold. See the another example. She helps me. And in passive voice, I am helped by her. If you keenly observe all the four rules, you could clearly see here. The subject will become the object will become the subject, and there will be a helping verb, and the main verb in the passive voice will always be in the past participle form. Now see the present continuous tense. And what is the helping verb and that will be there in the passive voice. Is being. Now see the examples. She is singing a song. It is in active voice. Now in passive voice, a song is being sung by her. Sung is the past participle form of the verb sing. So is being is the helping verb. Now see another example. They are eating apples. And in passive voice, apples are being eaten by them. So here are being is the helping verb. Eaten is the past participle form of the verb eat. And the apples, which is the object in active voice, has become the subject in the passive voice. And they, which is the subject in active voice, has become the object in passive voice. Now see present perfect tense. What is the helping verb in passive voice for present perfect tense? Has been. And the main verb will be always in past participle form. See the example. He has completed the work. The work has been completed by him. See here, the work is the object here, which has become the subject. He is the subject here, became the object. And has been is the helping verb. And the main verb in passive voice completed is the past participle form of the verb complete. Now see another example. She has written 5 poems. What is the object? 5 poems. Subject, she. So now see the passive voice. 5 poems have been, because poems, it is in plural, written by her. Why written? Because written is the past participle form of verb for write. Then past simple tense. See the active voice of simple past. He bought a car, right? The subject is he and the car, a car, is the object in active voice. Now see in passive voice, a car was bought by him. The subject has become the object in passive voice. The object of active voice is the subject in passive voice. And what is the helping verb in passive voice? Was. And bought is the past participle form of the verb buy. Then see another example. She decorated the walls. Then in the passive voice, the walls were decorated by her. Were is the helping verb and decorated is the past participle form of the verb decorate, and by her. And past continuous. So see the example of a past continuous in active voice. She was washing a shirt. A shirt is the object. She is the subject. So here in passive voice, while converting, the helping verb is was being. So a shirt, the object has become the subject in passive voice. A shirt was being washed. Why washed? Because it is the past participle form of verb for wash, by her. Boys were singing songs. See here, the songs, the object there in active voice has become the subject in passive voice. So songs were being sung by boys. Were being is the helping verb and sung is the past participle form of sing. Then look at past perfect tense. See the example. They had won the game. This is in the active voice. Now, See the passive voice of the same sentence. The game is the object here. It has become the subject in passive voice and the helping verb is had been. This is must and one is the past participle form of the verb win by them. Them. It is here an object, whereas in the active voice it is the subject they. Then see another example. He had collected the coins. Coins had been collected by them. Had been is the helping verb and collected is the past participle form of the verb collect. Then future simple tense. See the examples. The first example, she will write a poem. She is the subject, a poem is the object, and the main verb here is write. A poem, this is the object here. Object here, this has become the subject in the passive voice, and the helping verb is will be, and written. This is the past participle form of the verb write, and by her. See another example. You will receive a letter. The letter. So the letter will be received by you. Will be is the helping verb. Received is the past participle form of the verb receive. And future perfect tense. See the first example. He will have received the letter. The subject is he and the object is the letter, and you can also see received is the main verb. So in passive voice, the letter, which is the object in active voice, that is the subject here. The letter will have been. This is the helping verb. And received is the past participle form of the verb receive by him. Because there in the active voice, he is the subject. It has become the object in the passive voice. So here it is him. Next, see the second example. He will not have received the letter. Then in passive voice, the letter will not have been received by him. And the last example, will he have received the letter? See the answer. Will the letter have been received by him? So, as far as future perfect tense is concerned, you have to remember the helping verb is will have been. Thank you very much, students, for attending the class, and you will gain mastery only if you go through the exercises, because that will be helpful for examinations. So already few exercises were uploaded by me on active and passive voice. I request the students to go through.